Up to 70% of those who are alcohol dependent suffer from insomnia. For those who are in recovery from alcoholism, insomnia is often related to relapse. A new University of Michigan study demonstrated that a common side effect of a drug often used to treat epilepsy may help alcoholics with their sleep disturbance.
Sleep in alcoholics is very, very impaired, and estimates go that between 30 to 70% of alcoholics suffer from insomnia. Insomnia could be treated by multiple medications in the general population. The big concern in the alcoholic population is this group of patients tend to have higher risk for addiction. And the majority of medications that are available for treatment of insomnia are hypnotics that have a high rate of addiction. And there's also a concern that it may be overused as another drug. The most recent study that was conducted at the University of Michigan, it was a double-blind, randomized, so neither the investigators or the patients knew what drug they were taking, and they were given a drug, gabapentin in this case, or placebo, which is a pill that doesn't have any drug effect, that is exactly the same when they look at it. And it was given in a nightly dose, and the patients were monitored for their sleep and their chances of relapse into alcohol. The drug is especially safe in alcoholics because it's metabolized, it does not go through your liver as the majority of other medications and can interfere with the liver and alcohol, and is safe. It's in the market for other conditions as epilepsy and chronic pain. This could be potentially a very useful drug for treating alcoholics since it's safe and well tolerated. We need to look into larger sample size, maybe try medications that are related in the family of this drug that could have a longer half-life, have a better absorption. We could look into higher doses since this dose is relatively low for what patients with seizures, for example, usually take. And we can look into a more not so exclusive alcoholic population and try to see more into the regular alcoholic population that have multiple comorbid conditions if it still is safe.